Welcome back everybody to BPV Outdoors. Today we are on a northern metro lake in search for crappies, and we found the crappies in about 6 foot of water here, and all we're using is just bobber fishing. You know, just a stationary bobber up there, about a 2.5 3 feet leader here, and just a crappie jig. We tip with the minnow, casting a little bit out there, slowly retreating. They're biting. We caught a few already. They're decent size for Japan, and we can see them on the live scope here too. They're big school here. So I'm here with two boys. I have Yupeng, he's my nephew, and then I have my youngest son up here. So this is G. So there's 3 of us fishing here today. Stay tuned and we'll bring you the action.
Man, after that Leachy trip, we deserve this.
Oh, this was a little tiny one.
Let's go, Jay. Let's go.
The smaller. So a little tiny, we'll let it go.
Might need a small. Nice pig. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Yes, sir.
Killing it.
Another one.
Another one. Yeah. They're decent size. We should measure how big they are. Maybe. No, it can't be 12. Maybe 10. So we're just casting out there and slowly retrieving it. I'm just using a bobber about this is pretty shallow. It's only about 6 feet. There we go. I got one. Ooh, this one can pull. There you go. There you go. So these are pretty fat crappie. They're pretty decent size. They're thick too. So but if you have to go like in front of it or before it, like here or here.
I guess we're just right on top of the drop off.
Almost. We're at the fish?
I got it.
Cat?
Cat. That's a huge drop.
Oh, yours.
You know what's kind of big one? Call it a drone. You don't know what's called a drone. Go back.
Oh, you went got it here. Oh, look at that. Holy snap. Big crappie. Decent size. Good for eating.
When you first started going to the U, bro, the UD.
There's a whole road. I missed mine too. Oh, there goes again. There you go.
Guys, got me a sunny, first sunny of the day.
Good job.
Cause what's that one place we always go to, Dad? They had a ton of sunfish.
There you go. It's over here, bro. That's small though.
Yeah.
Ow.
Good?
There you go. Jesus, too far.
Bro, I cannot see my bobber, man.
else to call it? What else you want me to call
No,
it?
not you.
No,
Oh, was it you who said that?
Oh.
Well, I thought that was Tony.
Now that is a biggie. Yeah.
Stranger of day. No,
How do you just carry three strings? I had to cut my knife, guys. Oh. So you had two stringers on you, and then the third one you cut. Tumor. Nice one. He's got tumor. I know. Look at that. I went here when I touched that. Damn, that's a nice one, but he's got a big ass tumor on him.
Which one? This?
Yeah, this one. Yeah,
The
big ass
copy?
tumor on him.
Oh. That was to the camera.
how the hell did you get that?
Probably got bit by a pike.
In the middle.
Becky got picked by a pike. We're not keeping this one.
But in a Mickey Mouse accent.
Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse.
God, Dad, that sounds cursed. Stop.
Mickey Mouse, it's Mickey Mouse.
What's wrong with that, eh?
Hey, you want to hold this?
Oh, there you go, pony.
Finally. Because he was using the bullet bomb.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it's a bluegill.
That's a fat one too. They're starting to move in. Yeah, take that any day. Yeah, take that any day.
I have. This one's good.
I haven't caught one of those in years.
Damn, he's on fire, dude. Shit. He must be over there, huh?
Yeah, they're all over there. Look at the.
Give me some. Ah, it's a freaking drum. God damn it.
You could catch all that all day and I wouldn't even hit me yet.
Get out of here.
Call your crappie friends if you got it. Sure, Terry is and put
Going in the live well.